सध्या अशें आमकां दाखोवन दितात की पणजी म्युनिसिपालिटी 5 वर्सां सगळो कायापालट करपा आसा, पूण ज्या मनशाच्या हातान आशिल्ली पळय म्युनिसिपालिटी 5 वर्सां तांणी जें इतलें पाड करून घाल्लें आसा, म्हाका खरें दिसना आनी पणजी ती बरी कितें करतली कितें. लज दिसता की ह्या पणजी कॅपिटल सिटी ऑफ गोवा म्हणपाक सामकी लज दिसता.
Today Panjim is going the backward way. The golden period for Panjim, I would say, was when the first film festival was, first IFFI was organized. At that time, Panjim was really at its glorious best. The roads were good, the overall gardens, buildings were improved. Certain roads were widened, as you know, right from the old medical college down to the bus stand. The new Pato bridge was built. The whole waterfront was having a new facelift. Everything was getting better. But then suddenly now it's really gone backward. Everything that was done at that time seems to be degenerating and getting dismantled.
Leadership is important, but leadership should have make an effort of coordinated approach with all the members that are elected. If that is not there, also nothing can happen. Leader alone cannot be a savior. You have to have an understanding, a common thinking, common approach, and only then maybe there will be some form of governance in the interest of people of the city or people of Goa. That's what I can see.
Now, the dedicated person, one who is willing to do good work, should be elected.
Whatever taxes we pay to the municipality or the municipal corporation, so to say, should go in the coffers of the municipality. But learning about so many scams which have taken place, we wonder where does the money go? At least part of the money go. In whose pocket? Scamsters. Who are the scamsters? Are the elected representatives the scamsters? This is, I feel, insult to the voter and taking the voter for granted completely.
The thing is that the present CCP has really goofed up the entire city plan. Okay, forget about the garbage and all other problems what we had as a citizen of Panjim. A part of solving that problem, the CCP people have created more problems for the citizen of Panjim today. If we look at today in Panjim city, anga parking is so enough. Okay, garbage is filled everywhere. Okay, the CCP is not working for Aam Aadmi, where CCP is doing works just to satisfy certain lobby of builders, and that's it. We as a citizen of Panjim should come out, okay, today in public and say that we want a better leader. We don't want the nuisance whatever is there in going in present CCP. We simply can't, म्हणजे आम्ही आपल्या घरा राहून उलोव शकना की आबा we want change in leader, we don't want this, we don't want that. आमका असं leader जाय who is not into scams involved, neither parking scams or some other real estate scams. We want a clean leader today.
Panjim is given a stepmotherly treatment, you can say. Basically now the corporation consists of the Panjim and the surrounding Talegaon area. So people from Panjim feel that we are getting a stepmotherly treatment. The 80% of the revenues for the CCP comes from the Panjim. The shops establishment, the taxes, the revenue is generated from the city. And basically what we get in bargain.
म्हाका दिसता की पणजेकारांक सांगपाची गरज ना की कोणाचे कॅरेक्टर बरे आसा आनी कोण आपल्याक जावो असो. म्हाका दिसता की तेंचे कडेन ऑलरेडी तांकां खबर आसा की गूड लिडर कोण आसा आनी दॅट लिडर हॅज प्रूव्ड समथींग that he can do something and he has already done 101%.